How to qualify for EB1A Green Card application. To qualify for the EB1A category, you must demonstrate extraordinary ability in your field, such as science, arts, education, business, or athletics, by proving sustained national or international acclaim through evidence like significant awards, high salary compared to others in your field, published material about your work in major publications, and a history of being invited to judge the work of others in your field. You must meet at least 3 out of 10 specific criteria outlined by USCIS to prove this level of achievement. Certain green card applicants are exempted from the labor certification application process by virtue of their extraordinary ability, outstanding research, positions as international managers and executives, or their work in U.S. national interest. An immigrant application filed on behalf of an alien with extraordinary ability, EB1A, must demonstrate that the alien possesses a level of expertise, indicating that he or she has risen to the top of the field of endeavor. If you have extraordinary ability in the sciences, arts, education, business, or athletics which has been demonstrated by sustained national or international acclaim, and whose achievements have been recognized in the field through extensive documentation, then you will qualify as an alien of extraordinary ability. If you are a member of the small percentage who have risen to the very top of the field of endeavor, then you can apply under the EB1A category. A green card applicant with extraordinary ability in the sciences, arts, education, business, or athletics is eligible for treatment as a priority worker in the EB1 category. Individuals who qualify for this category as persons with extraordinary ability can waive both the labor certification and offer of employment requirements. The extraordinary ability category does not require a job offer or a U.S. employer's sponsorship. Therefore, no labor certification is required. Consequently, alien applicants can apply for themselves without the assistance of an employer. However, it will be important for the alien to establish that he or she will continue to work in the area of his or her specialty in United States. The employment-based immigration is one of the most popular ways to obtain U.S. permanent residency. The permanent residency process is a 2-application process. One application is called Form I-140 application for an immigrant visa, which can be filed by a U.S. employer or by an alien in some immigration categories, such as EB1 extraordinary ability. The other application is filed by an alien and is called Form I-485 application, to change his or her legal status in the United States to receive the actual green card, as a U.S. permanent resident. Evidence must be submitted to support a Form I-140 petition for aliens with extraordinary ability. Unlike the requirement for EB1 outstanding professor or researcher petition, EB1B, in which alien applicant must demonstrate that the alien is recognized internationally as outstanding in the academic field, the EB1 extraordinary ability applicant must have garnered sustained national or international acclaim in the field of endeavor. The following are important consideration to qualify for EB1A. 1. High level of achievement. You must be considered one of the top individuals in your field, demonstrating exceptional accomplishments. 2. Sustained acclaim. Evidence of consistent recognition and praise for your work on a national or international level is crucial. 3. Evidence. You need to provide proof of several criteria, including awards, publications, memberships in prestigious organizations, and evidence of original contributions to your field. 4. Self-petitioning. Unlike many other immigration categories, you can apply for an EB1A visa without a sponsoring employer. Thank you for watching the video. We offer high-quality complete do-it-yourself packages for U.S. Green Card application and working visa application, and we provide many samples of reference letters, and samples of petition cover letters for U.S. immigration and green card application, and we also let you know the U.S. green card application process and how to get your green card quickly. If you want to apply for a U.S. green card, our website greencardapply.com and complete do-it-yourself packages can help you get green card quickly, even without an U.S. employer sponsorship, and bypass the labor certification process. I hope the audience will give us a thumbs up, and subscribe our YouTube channel, to let the knowledge of U.S. green card application spread to more immigrants, and let YouTube's algorithm recommends our videos to more viewers. For further and detailed information of U.S. green card application, please visit our website greencardapply.com. Thank you.